morning, guys. Top of the morning, guys. Hope everybody good. As you can see, my hair crazy. Wow. Quick update. I washed it yesterday and it did look much better yesterday, to be honest. Wash the hair and left it. I'm gonna insert a little clip to show you what it did look like. I think I have it, you know, I can keep it off a TikTok and yeah, use it. Está bien, de nada, bienvenidos, Dora the Explorer. Anyway, I am, I think 7 months now in my lot journey, and it's going. As you can see, it look very dry right now. Let me get a little lighting while I'm there. Yeah, man. See, we are, the shrinkage is real. The shrinkage real, and it look kind of sort of like a mess, a whole mess. But yeah, wash it and hydrate it and everything. But normally after they have washed, I saw it look until as the days goes by, it kind of working and tone down and look back better. And they say the shrinkage is real. God know it's giving Bob Marley. Brother, welcome to Jamrock. But yeah, it a go on. And guys, as you can see, I try to be consistent. I'm trying to be consistent. I know me dey out here in the backyard and I'm like, oh my god, guys, me not even did make uno know say the backyard is done. Like, you guys have been following the journey with when we just get everything started, and me did I keep you guys up to date and everything about the progress and all of that. And my blood clot, me just done, me just disappear. Me just done, like, where is the final result? You know, like, what happened? But me know, if you guys follow me on IG or TikTok, follow me. You know, I definitely see the finish look, but me never did make like an official vlog for sure. No, okay guys, this is what it is. That is what is happening. Big up, guys.